That is Laos. This you can just walk across.
Wow, this is a fancy vehicle. Just check it out.
Jack and Jill went up the hill too.
Say hi. Wow. Unbelievable. Ban Suan Rim Than
I don't know what the last word is.
Resort. Okay, at least you are able to read. So yeah, this is the resort, which is 60 kilometers away from Loei. Okay, there is the nice cottage we have got. Beautiful plants and trees. Lovely. That's the entrance. It's so beautiful. This looks like an ordinary canal.
It is. It is part of the Mekong River. It will merge into the Mekong River. This is a tributary which will join further down into the Mekong River. But it's not just an ordinary river. It is the border between Thailand and Laos. That is Laos. This you can just walk across, I think. The water looks so shallow.
You can't walk, swim across.
Okay, swim across, but it looks so shallow that I think I can walk through it. But maybe not. But it's very serene over here, very quiet.
So can you see the bridge there through the fog? That's the Thailand-Laos Friendship Bridge. I think it's the 7th bridge which was made, and it connects into Laos. So let us see if we can go there, and then we can see it a little bit more clearly. There's too much fog with Laos, I can't believe it. How come there is bright light over there? The light under the bridge or what?
That's the sun, is it?
No shit.
Couldn't be. Yes. See the sun between the clouds and...
It's a new place we are going. It's called Phu Chom Lao. Means you got to get onto a mountain, and we will be able to see Laos from there. Most probably, if there is less fog, then yes, we'll be able to see clearly. Otherwise, we'll just see a sea of fog. Let's see how it goes. But we're waiting for a vehicle to take us up. So I think it should be coming up from that side.
I think I hear the vehicle coming to pick us up. Let's go ahead and take a picture. We keep going, he won't get... We have to go in this.
Wow, this is a fancy vehicle. Just check it out.
อันนี้รถอะไร
เรียกว่า
รถ
ภูชมลาวครับ
อันนี้เรียกว่าอะไร
อันนี้
รถอีแท็ก
E-Tech. What is
E-Tech.
called E-Tech. It's like a
E-Tech.
tractor มันไม่เหมือนไม่เคยเห็นเลย
ไม่เคยเห็น
ไม่เคยเห็นเลย
I have to climb onto this. How do I climb up? Hold this. I'm climbing up.
ขึ้นนั่งหน้าดีกว่าไหมหรือนั่งหลัง
นั่งตรงไหนก็ได้แล้วแต่
นั่งหน้าสนุกกว่านะ
Ah.
นั่งหน้าสนุกกว่านะแล้วมีอีกคันหนึงนะแต่มีแค่2 คน ไปได้เลย เย้
Going in a tractor.
where we are going. This is fantastic. Chiang Khan. Okay, ไปได้เลย We have to walk from here 80 meters and we hope that it's not a very tough climb. Let's see.
Yeah,
Be ready. And we have a whole lot of friends here. Hi, say hi. Thank you. Okay.
ไปแล้วนะ
นิดนึงไม่เป็นไร
ไปแล้วนะครับ ไปแล้วนะครับ
Very beautiful.
ครับ
Nice. Good, good. Never been to such a place.
It's really lovely. The fog and the sun.
2 more places to go. Yeah.
Climb, climb, climb.
Okay, this is another point, and this looks a bit scary, but it's not. Yeah. Okay, be careful.
Wow,
เดินได้ไม่เป็นไรนะ
wow.
I'm here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
See, look down here. This is Thailand, right? I think so.
แม่น้ำเหี่ยงกั้นระหว่างไทยกับลาวนะครับ ฝั่งซ้ายจะเป็นลาวฝั่งไทยจะเป็นขวา
Mhm.
เนี่ย
ฝั่งซ้ายก็เป็นลาว
ครับ
So this part of the river
นี่
is
เป็นไทย
Laos.
Laos and this side is Thai. โอ้ลาวดูเจริญกว่าเนาะ
นะครับ เป็นเขาเป็นหมู่บ้านใหญ่มากนี่เป็นตำบล
ไหนครับเรา
Phu Chom Lao.
ที่นี่ภูสมลาวนะครับ
Wow, okay. This is the new place we have come. ดีมาก
Viewpoint.
Now we were going to a new place, new point, very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Okay, ตามผมเลยครับเนี่ย
ครับ
Okay.
ไม่ลมนะ
ไม่ครับ
Just look at this. What a view, man.
Yay!
What a view. Wow. Unbelievable.
เห็นไหม
เอามาดีเรื่อย
I'm sitting on the edge
ๆปรับให้ผมเลย
of the bridge. เย่
ที่ใช้สำหรับถ่ายนกเฉพาะเลย ถ้าเอาอันนั้นมาก็ดีเกินมาก Yeah. We are on our way back.